Dinner time. Ain't much better than a casserole. Hearty meal, plenty to go around for the entire family. Today we're gonna cook a cheesy beef cantonelli casserole. First we're gonna start with the beef and the noodles. Start by putting 2 pounds of beef in a saucepan. Put it on high heat and start to brown it. Meanwhile, start a large pot with about 6 to 8 quarts of water and boil your cantonelli according to the package directions. You could use spirals or ziti if you choose. Once your ground beef is fully cooked, drain it, then add at least 24 ounces of spaghetti sauce. We are going to smash and cut up 4 cloves of finely minced garlic, and we're going to add a couple teaspoons of onion powder. Mix this all very well and put it back aside. Then drain your pasta and put it aside as well. Get a half cup of sour cream out, 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese. I'm using Colby Jack, but you could also use mozzarella or cheddar. Grease a shallow baking dish, 9 by 13 or something that will at least hold a couple of quarts worth of pasta. Put about a half cup of the sauce mixture on the bottom, then place half the pasta in the dish. Top that with half of the remaining sauce meat mixture. Spread the half cup of sour cream on top of that. Next, place the half pound of cubed Velveeta cheese over that. I am using a queso blanco Velveeta. Then place in the remaining pasta, then the remaining meat and sauce mixture. Last, sprinkle the 2 cups of shredded cheese over the top. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Pull it out of the oven, uncover, then bake an additional 10 minutes. It'll be a nice golden brown on top. Add some vegetables, maybe some garlic bread, and you got a great dinner ready for a big family. Now, last but not least, I'm gonna sneak a little taste. Fantastic. Thanks for watching.